How can we adequately study the budget if there are things kept from us na allocable and non-allocable? And I think ASEC Bote said it very unemotionally. I've been hearing it and hearing it. Allocable and non-allocable. Pakipaliwanag po, allocable, yung sa akin diksyonaryo, no, I was a journalist and everything, alam ko yung word allocated, allocation, allocable and non-allocable. And I'm sure you know about it because this is discussed in every congressional district. And this was a practice in the previous administration, which the good secretary in private has told me that you don't agree. But kami na naging congressman dati, gusto ko maintindihan, ano ba yung allocable? And can you kindly submit to us the allocable? And what is non-allocable? And please submit to us for our view the non-allocable. I mean, let's call a spade a spade. Yes, and we'll discuss this in private, just so that there's
Mr. Chair, Madam Senator, if I may just give a very truthful and frank answer. Hindi ko po naiintindihan kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng allocable at non-allocable. To be quite honest, I was just informed this was implemented, I think in 2022 ba? I'm not sure. No, hanggang ngayon po. Hanggang ito po sa budget na to.
This budget.
Yes. Pero hindi ko po maintindihan. Tinanong ko po si dating Undersecretary Cathy Cabral kung ano ibig sabihin niya. Hindi ko po naiintindihan yung kanyang explanation, to be quite frank. Hanggang ngayon po, hindi ko pa rin po naiintindihan. No, I will be very, very honest. Kaya para sa akin po, at nung nagkaroon po tayo ng panibagong Undersecretary for Planning, ngayon po si Undersecretary Nick Conti na, ang unang-una ko po sinabi sa kanya, scrap yan kasi unang-una wala po atang nakakaintindi dyan outside of USEC Cathy Cabral. No, to be quite frank, Mr. Chairman, no, and this really needs to change because if no one understands it, and even ako po, kahit paano naman po, nag-aral po ako ng economics, nag-aral po ako ng finance, pero kahit anong pag-iwanag po sa akin, hindi ko po talaga naiintindihan. And I think it needs to change. It needs to be scrapped altogether.
Kanina pa tayo nagtatalo sa meron pong non-allocable pero nandun pa rin sa district. Sabihin na nyo, alam naman ninyo eh. Importante po tong hearing kasi kung di nagtatanungan kami dalawa, naghuhulaan kami. Alam po namin kasi alam naman namin sa House rin, alam naman nila yung mga ibig sabihin nun eh. Importante lang magkaintindihan para...
Madam, Mr. Chairman, Madam Senator, maybe we can ask Director Bote again since I think nasatisfy naman po kayo dun sa una niyang pagkakapaliwanag. So if paliwanag na rin po.
Pero medyo natin ako, yung allocable, yung ceiling para hindi naman sobrang umasa ang representante o mga tao kasi kung hindi ang hihingin, mataas. Okay lang yun. Talagang maraming hinihingi, maraming pangangailangan. Walang masama po dun. Opo. Yung non-allocable, ano po yun?
Director Alex, thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Chair. Yung non-allocable po natin, ito naman po, definitely, ito yung beyond the allocable. Kasi if you will observe, Mr. Chair, for example, on the previous year that we have the budget proposal, mga 900 po yata ron, around 400 to 500 po lumalabas estimatedly. Yun ang tina-target natin, almost 40 to 50%. Yun po yung mag-enter dun sa allocable natin. Beyond, mostly yung po yung mga core projects na po natin or yung pong pumapasok dun sa aming application na SDM4, yung validation po yung napag-usapan po natin beforehand tungkol dun sa mga tulay na nai-inventaryo natin along Maharlika Highway, N1, and our yung maintenance po natin and other capital outlays po, yung pambili natin na equipment, yung po yun. Yung allocable mostly, yung po kasi talagang nakafocus yun sa civil works component po natin. Really for the construction. Non-allocable are for our core and counterparts of the foreign and all and everything, the purchase of the, for example, equipments, opo, yun po yun, yung mga core po natin, more on high level of and yun po yun. Yung, kumbaga, yun po yung medyo identified as big ticket.
Engineering terms ba ito? Engineering terms? Economic terms? Or invention? Kasi, teka, ano?
As far, may I miss? As far as I know, this is a formulation of management of budget po lang ang tingin ko dito eh. Kasi nga, if you will not put ceiling on every legislative district, pag tinignan nyo po natin, masyado pong, ang makikita naman po natin, alam natin 1 billion, dumarating request 4 billion, 3 billion, something ganon. So maybe that
Masama kaya hindi tayo dapat magtago sa definition of terms dahil iniintindi. So
Thank-
ang allocable, yung allocation para ito lang ang pwede nyong hingin hanggang dito lang. Ang question mark po ngayon ay ano kaya ang pinagbasehan ng ating inaaral na NEP 2026 at ano kaya ang pwede natin i-correct na magiging formula nyo sa NEP 2027, hindi na yung allocable formula ng ginawa kasi masyadong ang disparity. Opo. Tapos sabi po nyo, para naintindihan ko lang, yung non-allocable, hindi po yung alokasyon ng district representante, kundi yung regional or central o nationwide. Let's say may highway na dadaan, ganun. Okay. So, para po mapag-aralan namin buong linggo hanggang sa next hearing po, paki-submit lang ang aming yung allocable and non-allocable based on NEP 2026. Because we have I have a copy here actually, I can share it with him, of some districts na allocable and non-allocable. Pero to be fair, because the others are asking me for the copies, I want an official copy. I know that you have because I have the allocable and non-allocable of some districts. May I kindly request for a copy? DPWH, every district engineer would have it. Sigurado po ako. I have 2 regions of allocable and non-allocable. Hindi naman siguro masama yung hinihingi namin kasi yun ang pinag-usapan namin kanina. This is NEP. I have the NEP allocable and non-allocable. Di ba nakatingin kayo sa akin, si Neri? Alam nyo yan. Dear, alam nyo naman yan. Di ba masama eh? Di ba? It's for our learning. Di ba? Kasi naging chair ako ng finance noon, hindi ko alam lahat ito. Ngayon ko, ang program nga, hindi ko nalaman noon eh. Walang masama.
We'll submit, Madam Madam Senator. We will submit. I mean, there's walang this has to be
masama.
completely transparent.
At saka walang masama.
Even if we all don't understand what it means.
Hindi. Kasi ganito.
If former Undersecretary Cabral...
Secvin, so that you understand. Sa katandaan ko to, I'm a forever learner. Ang tawag doon? Lifelong learning. I don't think it's too late for me to understand. Even if I became chair of finance for 5 years and I've been here since 1998, kundi magpapaturo ko kay Alpruto ng allocable at non-allocable. Pero, Director Bote, turuan nyo ko para maintindihan ko. Walang masama. Maganda naman yung sinabi nyo. Dapat may allocable kasi kung hindi, totoo yan. Ito, naging chairman ako ng finance, yung mga amendments ng senators, minsan 10B, 20B, paano ko magagawa lahat yan? Hindi. Hanggang dyan lang kayo. Maliwanag, walang masama po dun. Ngayon, yung non-allocable, maayos din yung sinabi po nyo na ito yung mga hindi naman nasa district, pero iba, kailangan bigyan. Okay lang po. So you may give it to us so that we can study it. For all you know, we'll even retain it. Diba? We just want to understand it better. Yeah. Walang masama. Right?
Tama po, ma'am.
You know, the reason why I brought it, ako na ang nagsabi, bulungan kami ng bulungan. Tapos sabi, kasi he has a brother na congressman. I have a brother na Kong. May anak ako. So, we don't understand those things, but we hear it from other people. He's asking me, I'm asking him. Sabi ko, can I ask it? Sabi, yes, please be the one to ask it. I hope you don't mind. Yeah.
Madam, Mr. Chairman, Madam Senator, we don't mind at all. You know, this needs to be completely transparent.
How can we adequately study the budget if there are things kept from us na allocable and non-allocable? And I think ASEC Bote said it very unemotionally and as clearly as he can. And I don't find anything wrong. Yes.
Thank you po, Madam Senator. Mr. Chairman.
Tama. Yung hindi dapat pakalaman ng congressman kasi national project, tama naman, di ba? Or hindi pwedeng galawin. Maliwanag naman, di ba? There's nothing wrong. Yes.